all-new Mac Studio display. It's a 27-inch 5K Retina display with built-in speakers and a webcam. It comes in a number of configurations, but I decided on the Nano texture glass model with the VESA mount. I work opposite a window with a lot of glare, so the Nano glass was a no-brainer for me. You cannot see a single glare on this thing. I also don't see myself ever needing a stand for this display, so I decided the VESA mount was the best way to go given my work from home desk setup. Alongside the display in the box, you'll get a braided Thunderbolt cable, some documentation, Apple stickers, and a polishing cloth if you went with that Nano texture glass option. If you did go with this option, this display is going to be very delicate, and the only thing that you can use to clean it is this polishing cloth. Setting up this display was also super easy. If you went with the VESA mount option, all you need is a 100x100 VESA adapter plate, and you can mount this display anywhere from the wall to a monitor arm. I've been using a Dell MSA20 monitor arm on my desk for a few years, and the studio display works great on it. There are no buttons at all on the studio display, so in order to power it on, you'll need to use that Thunderbolt cable to connect it to a source, aka any modern Mac computer. I plugged it into my M1 MacBook Pro, and it instantly came right on. When the computer goes to sleep or turns off, the display will also go off. It's as easy as that. Now, I'm going to be the first to admit that I was skeptical after I ordered this display. The initial reviews on it were kind of like meh, so I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. Did I want to cancel my order? Did I want to keep it? For the first time, I was skeptical buying an Apple product, and rightfully so. I mean, this thing is super expensive, but thinking about it now and everything that it offers, I'm glad that I did keep this thing. For the creative work that I do, the studio display is a huge upgrade. There really are no other 5K displays out there, let alone one with built-in speakers and a webcam. On top of all that, you're getting the same color accuracy as you do on the MacBook displays, so it's going to keep your work consistent no matter if you're working out on the go or at home. That consistency alone is invaluable for me. Once I realized that, I was satisfied with this purchase. One of the things that surprised me about the studio display were the built-in speakers. They sound really good. They're loud, detailed, and full of bass. I honestly don't think you'll need a pair of external speakers if you get this display. Let me blast some royalty-free music so you can hear it in action. The webcam on this display is okay from what I've heard. I haven't had the chance to check it out yet, but Apple said there is an update coming to improve the quality of it. Hopefully by the time I do my full review on it, it'll impress, but as it stands now, I've heard it's kind of meh, and that's kind of unfortunate. Features aside, the studio display might be the most aesthetically pleasing monitor on the market today. Seriously, this thing is so photogenic. The aluminum enclosure make it look as premium as it is. It'll pair perfectly with any Mac desktop, MacBook, or even any desk setup. This thing will fit in like almost anywhere. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the studio display. The image quality is gorgeous. That color accuracy is invaluable. The speakers are booming. There's a decent webcam at the moment, and like other Apple products, it just works when you need it. The only downsides that I can see so far are the webcam from what I've heard, and of course the price. This thing is insanely expensive, but like I said before, if you do creative work and your job depends on it, it's gonna pay for itself over time. I'll get back to you guys in a few weeks with a full review on this thing, but so far I'm liking the studio display. Like I said before, I was skeptical at first, very skeptical in fact, because like I said, this thing is expensive, but I'm glad I stuck with it. The studio display is awesome. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!